Objective Economic Geology, multiple choice questions with answers. These are the collection from various previous years question papers, and I hope these are useful for various other competitive exams like CSR, NET, GATE, GSI and other exams. Welcome to set 10. So this set consists of simple questions like the chemical compositions and the geographic regions of the ore deposits and so on. So coming to the first question, K3 copper belt is in. So the choices are A. Orissa, B. Rajasthan, C. Gujarat and D. Madhya Pradesh. So it's a well-known fact that K3 copper belt is well known. This is deposited in Rajasthan. So B is the correct option. Next question. So what is a cerussite? So cerussite composition is A. PbSO4, B. PbCO3, C. PbS and D. Zinc sulfide. So cerussite is PbCO3. It's a lead carbonate. So B is the correct option. Next question. What is anglicite? So chemical composition of anglicite is A. PbCO3, B. PbSO4, C. PbCO3 and D. Zinc carbonate. So anglicite is lead sulfate, PbSO4. Coming to the next question, sphalerite is, what's the chemical composition of sphalerite? So that is zinc sulfide, zinc oxide, ZnCO3, ZnCO3. So the correct option is ZnS. So sphalerite is also known as a zinc blend, that is zinc sulfide. Next question. Smithsonite is, so what's the chemical composition of smithsonite? So the choices are A. Zinc oxide, B. Zinc CO3, C. ZnSiO4 and D. Tin oxide, SnO2. So smithsonite is a zinc carbonate. So cassiterite is, what is cassiterite? Cassiterite is tin ore. So what is it? That is a tin oxide or tin carbonate or tin silicate or tin iron sulfide. So cassiterite is A. SnO2. Coming to stibnite. So what's the chemical composition of stibnite? So A. Sb, B. Sbs4, C. Sb2s3, D. Sb2o3. Stibnite is Sb2s3. Next question. Solder is an alloy of. Solder is an alloy of. Choices are A. Lead and zinc, B. Copper and zinc, C. Lead and tin, D. Copper and tin. So solder is an alloy of lead and tin. Next question. What is a lepidolite? So lepidolite is a mica. So what is a lepidolite? A. Lithium mica, B. Iron mica, C. Chromium mica, D. None of the above. So lepidolite is a lithium mica. It's an important source for lithium. Next question. So what's the chemical composition of a spinel? Spinel is A. MgO, B. MgOAl2O3, C. Al2O3 and D. MgOH2O. Spinel is magnesium oxide and aluminum oxide. MgOAl2O3. B is the correct option. Next question. What's the chemical composition of the brucite? Brucite is A. MgO, B. MgOH2O, C. MgOAl2O3 and D. MgSO4 7H2. So brucite is hydrated magnesium oxide, that is MgOH2O. So B is the correct option. Next question. What is the chemical composition of periclase? Periclase is A. MgO, B. MgOH twice, C. MgSO4 and D. MgCO3. So periclase is a magnesium oxide. So it is the correct answer is A. MgO. Carnallite is a source of A. Aluminium, B. Calcium, C. Magnesium, D. Iron. Carnallite is a source of magnesium. C is the correct. Next question. So chrysoberyl is A. BeOL2O3, B. BeO, C. Al2O3, D. BeO SiO2. So chrysoberyl is BeOAl2O3. There's a small difference between the beryl and chrysoberyl. Beryl is Be3Al2SS6O18, whereas chrysoberyl is BeOAl2O3. A is the correct option. Next question. Gem variety of chrysoberyl is A. Emerald, B. Aquamarine, C. Alexandrite, D. None of the above. So the correct option is gem variety of chrysoberyl is Alexandrite. C. Alexandrite is the correct option. whereas emerald and aquamarine are the gem varieties of beryl. Next question. Beryllium occurs chiefly in A. Sedimentary rocks, B. Mica pegmatite, C. Basic igneous rocks, and D. Metamorphic rocks. So beryllium, it occurs chiefly in mica pegmatite. B is the correct option. Next question. The most abundant of metals is, it's also a very simple question. A. Iron, B. Aluminium, C. Chromium, D. Magnesium. The most abundant of metals is B. Aluminium. Next question. The chief source of aluminium and its compounds is A. Diaspore, B. Boehmite, C. Gibbsite, D. Bauxite. The chief source of aluminium and its compounds, it is bauxite. It is Al2O3 2H2O. D is the correct option. Next question. Duralumin is used in the manufacture of A. Chemicals, B. Ceramics, C. Aeroplane, and D. Fertilizer. So duralumin, it is used in the manufacture of aeroplanes. So C is the correct option. Next question. Duralumin is, so what's the chemical composition of duralumin? A. 90% aluminium, 5% copper, 5% silica and magnesium. B. 80% aluminium, 15% copper, 5% SiO2. And C. 95% aluminium, 4% copper and 1% silica and magnesium. D. None of the above. So duralumin is it's an alloy of mixed compositions like 95% aluminium, 4% copper and 1% silica and magnesium. C is the correct option. Hope you have learned some important questions, and you can subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you for your time.